Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bublis World Cuisine. Today, I'll share with you a cough remedy which is homemade and it's very powerful against fighting with cold and flu and also getting relief from sore throat. Especially during winter months, we need something that helps us get through all these viruses and bacteria. Now, this will be made using all natural ingredients which I have laid over here. I'm going to talk a little bit about them. First, ginger, amazing root and which has been used for medicinal properties for ages. Ginger has a strong kick and it helps relieve from common cold and flu. Next, I have clove, which is a treasure. They are loaded with potent antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory compounds and great for fighting cold and flu. I also have some black pepper, which is very helpful in getting rid of any common cold, flu, and sore throat. Next, I have some turmeric, which is regarded as yellow gold. Turmeric has curcumin in it, which is very helpful in reducing inflammation. And I have some salt, which is commonly used for getting rid of anything that's to do with your sore throat and other viruses in your throat. Honey, everyone knows it's amazing for fighting cold and cough. And the best part is it makes the whole mixture taste great. Now let's get started. So first in a pan, I'm taking cloves and black pepper. Now you want to make sure all your cloves have this flour, which is the top bit. Just take all of them with the flour on. Okay, now it's going on the stove. With a very low heat, I'm going to stir them until they release an aroma, which takes something around a couple of minutes. Once that's done, I'm removing it to a porcelain matter and I'm going to turn off the heat and put a piece of ginger there. It's around 2 inch and all I'm going to do is heat it up just a little bit. Again, I'm saying flame is off, it's just the hot pan. Now you want to crush your peppercorns and your cloves using a pestle and mortar until they are fine. The finer, the better because you're going to take it as it is. Now, time to scrape ginger. All you're going to do is take a spoon and scrape the skin. Next, it's time to grate it. Now, I'm going to grate it really fine because I want to take juice out of it, and the finer, the better. Once grating is all done, all you want to do is take a sieve and take the juice out of it. So in a small bowl, I'm going to take the juice of ginger. Ginger juice is really helpful in fighting against lots of germs and bacteria. So if you take ginger juice with a little bit of honey, even that is amazing. Okay, now I'm adding a little bit of salt, just a pinch, and a pinch of turmeric. I'm just mixing both these ingredients, and once they are mixed in, then I'm going to add the powder that we made earlier. You don't need all of it, quarter of a teaspoon or something around that amount. Mix it with that turmeric, salt, and ginger mixture. Once that completely mixed in, now it's time to add the final ingredient, which is going to make the syrup tasty and much, much better. Honey. I'm using raw honey here. If possible, try to go for raw organic honey. That way you'll get the most benefits. And now this syrup is all ready. Now, this is a very powerful remedy to fight against cough, cold, and flu, and also sore throat. You want to take it in empty stomach in the morning, and after only half an hour, you can take everything else. And before bedtime, just take this and nothing else. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Take care and bye for now.